Why have I never filmed in here? Welcome to our bedroom, specifically the closet. A part of our condo I haven't really showed you guys very much, but I'm realizing it's absolutely gorgeous for filming. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Naomi, also known as It's Nomers on the internet. Lately, I have been getting some requests online and in real life to do a haul video, or like a fashion, clothing, something video. So I thought, that's what I should do today. I have had the privilege of traveling to Japan twice this year, and both times I have done a little bit of shopping. So I thought to give this video a little bit of a theme, so I'm not just pulling random stuff out of my closet. We're gonna look at the clothing that I bought on the 2 trips because I wear them all the time and I get asked all the time where I got them and where they're from, what brand, whoop, 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 all those things. Let's do it. This is our closet. I totally didn't clean it last minute before this video so that I look like an organized, beautiful person. So me opening my closet to show you the clothes that I got from Japan is a total trick because I actually have them all folded and ready right here, actually. So let's just pretend like I pulled these out of my closet. Wow, look. And get going into the haul / lookbook / look at my clothes. So on our most recent trip to Japan, I spent a day in Shizuoka City, basically by myself. So naturally, I went into a mall. It was really hot, okay? I really need to go in. But it turned out really great because I found my dream pair of jeans. So I have curves. So my dream has always been to own a pair of high-waisted jeans that actually fit me, because I need something that can go over my bum, but also cinch at my small waist. So you can imagine how thrilled I was when I found these that fit me perfectly in Japan for $40. They come with this really cute matching jean belt that just like finishes off the look. I think it's really cute, such a nice detail. Lengthwise, they are a bit cropped because in Japanese standards, I'm tall, and so I just roll them up a little bit, cuff them up, and then they look like they're the perfect length. They look like they're supposed to be like that, but I think they're really cute. But I really like how high-waisted they are because I am a very modest person, and I dress very modestly, and I really like crop tops. I think they're cute, but because these jeans cover all the way up to here, and even cover your belly button, I can comfortably wear cropped t-shirts now. I only own one so far, and I'm about to show you what it is. It's just this little free size t-shirt crop top. With this shirt, I personally like to cuff up the sleeves a little bit, and there we go. Outfit done. I really like it. I feel like it accents my hair and my eyes. It's really cute, really comfy, and then it looks great with these jeans. I love them. While we're on shirts, I found these shirts in the 80% off section, which is an amazing section. And I got these shirts for only $6. They just have these frilly sleeves that go over the gray. I'm a sucker for gray, and I'm a sucker for pink, and I'm a sucker for baggy shirts. So it's perfect. This is the shirt. I kind of like to make it go off the shoulder a little bit to add some femininity to the fact that it's a baggier type of shirt. It has enough detailing that it actually cinches right here in order to give you a little bit of shape, even though it's a baggy shirt. I also ended up getting it in this green color, which makes it look a lot more dressy. I also like this one as well. Do we like this? Do we like this look? Let me know down below if you think it looks good. It looks good from far away. Is this a look? Earlier this year, we actually traveled to Osaka, and I got some pieces there as well that I thought I'd share with you. I've got one more shirt, which is this one. The brand is Loita or something. It's got these lovely embroidered stars to give texture, and this adorable sketch of the animals And on the front of it, it actually says, when it is dark enough, you can see the stars. They were all in high spirits when they set out on their travels. And I thought that was adorable because I was traveling. And these cute little animals, they're traveling. I ended up buying a skirt, actually, to match it. And I will show you that because this skirt is really exciting. I ended up picking up this skirt for 2 reasons. 1, it was on sale for a really good price. 2, it's 2 skirts in 1. You can either have it in this tan or this white with black stripes. I personally thought that it would wash me out, but it actually seems to do a fun balancing act with my hair and makes me look color coordinated with myself. It's just really cute and flattering, and it fits with so much. I was about to end this video until I remembered the absolute best piece of clothing I just bought, actually, in Shizuoka, that I almost forgot to show you. It is a simple, long, high-waisted skirt that cinches at the waist. Psych! They're pants. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's a totally new genre of YouTube video that I've never done before, but I'm having a lot of fun. I feel like it's a part of me that I'd like to share because I really like clothes and fashion. Let me know down below if you enjoyed or if you want to see more of this. I'm willing to show you if you guys want. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Whatever it is. Peace out.
Just right, 시동에 걸어 웨이트 세레바를 홀려 모든 것이 특별해 너 완전 어울려